Okay, my friend Javi just texted me 1-800-CHAT-GPT. Just call it. So we're gonna call. I guess we're gonna call ChatGPT and talk to it on the phone. Here we go. 1-800-CHAT-GPT. Do you have a question you want to ask ChatGPT?
I wasn't prepared for this. What is the meaning of life?
What is? Oh, okay. Here we go. Focus.
Thank you for calling Ingenta. If you know the extension number of the party
What?
you wish to reach, please enter it now. Otherwise, please listen to the following options.
Did I spell it wrong?
Customer service, please...
Hi, I'm ChatGPT.
Oh, it works on
an
my
AI
phone.
Assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Hi, ChatGPT. I need to write a holiday letter. Season's greetings, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. Can you give me a good starting place for my holiday card?
Absolutely. Here's a festive start. Season's greetings. As we celebrate this special time of year, we want to extend our warmest wishes for a joyous holiday season. May your days be filled with peace, love, and happiness. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, joyous Kwanzaa, and a Happy New Year. How does that sound?
Nice.
ChatGPT, how do you make the best tea with expired tea leaves?
Oh, using expired tea leaves isn't recommended. They can lose flavor and potentially harbor mold. It's best to use fresh tea for the best taste and safety. If you've got expired tea, it might be better to compost it or use it for non-drinking purposes, like deodorizing your fridge.
But what happens if I eat the mold?
Eating mold from expired tea leaves could cause digestive issues or allergic reactions. It's best to avoid consuming moldy food to stay safe. If you think you've accidentally eaten mold and feel unwell, it might be a good idea to consult a doctor.
Jeff, how long have you been drinking old tea?
5 years.
Oh, no. Claudia, do you have a question for ChatGPT?
ChatGPT, what's the most recent finding on extraterrestrial life forms?
The search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing, but as of my last update in October 2023, no definitive proof of extraterrestrial life has been found. Scientists continue to explore Mars, the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and distant exoplanets for signs of life. Recent discoveries have hinted at potentially habitable environments, but nothing conclusive yet.
Dang. ChatGPT, one last question. What's the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is a deep philosophical question that varies for everyone. For some, it's about seeking happiness, forming connections, or contributing to society. Others find meaning in personal growth, spirituality, or pursuing passions. What's your perspective on it?
Wow.
I don't know. That's why I was asking you. All right. Thanks, GPT. Bye. Oh, okay. We're done. Bye.
She said bye. That's crazy.
Would you call ChatGPT again?
No. Never.
What about you, Jeff?
I would.
You would just
yeah.
just a chat. Just
Next time I drink expired tea, I might, give it another shot.
That's crazy.
All right, call 1-800-CHAT-GPT from a cell phone, not a landline phone. That didn't work. All right, bye.